Okay, everybody finished? Everybody, we have already our eggs, okay? So now,
I want to say something.
okay.
Thank you, Nico. Thank you, Nico, for being here with the girls cooking. Yeah, we have the representation of the men here, so that's really good. I think it's really good initiative. Yeah, I'm so happy.
He
yeah.
is the best.
Always we think, you know. Yeah,
Very well.
women, yeah, do the kitchen and everything. Yeah, I think it's a
Nico.
changing roles and everything. I think it's brilliant. Yeah.
Yeah, really. I want to share something with you. I'm not the important cook chief of this house because my husband, he's a chief, real one. So I'm just like his helper.
Assistant.
So I'm not sure it will be. I'm not sure about result, but it's with my heart, with all of my love. Okay. So let's put inside our cup of sugar and let's mix it.
Okay.
Akemi, sugar.
Elena,
Yeah.
¿cuántas cucharadas?
No, it's just 1 cup of sugar, una taza de azúcar, o sea, calcula 250 gramos, más o menos.
Okay.
¿Cuánto de kilo? ¿De qué buena en matemática que soy? ¿Ah? So, it's not necessary to use a blender, but it's better. So now we can put
Elena,
our eggs and our sugar in our bowl, okay?
Elena, sorry.
Yeah.
I think you forgot to count the spoons. They were going to count.
No, yo no olvidé.
Ah, okay.
Porque quería que tengan la noción que una taza de azúcar y una taza de harina. Ahora vamos a contar harina.
Vale, luego lo vas a hacer con la harina. Vale, sí. Okay. I thought you were going to do it with the sugar.
So now, si nosotros tenemos colador, es mejor. El resultado siempre es mejor porque it's like oxygenate flour, okay? If we don't have, it's okay. So now we have our cup of flour. We will take 1 spoon, if you have 1 spoon, and let's count how many spoons of flour we have, okay? It's okay with you? So everybody count your spoons of flour, okay?
Okay.
I will count mine. I have 1, 2, 3. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. 3, 4. 5.
5, 6.
I have 6.
8.
I have 7 spoons. And I have 8 spoons. 8. Snowing. So, how many spoons do you have?
10.
10. Okay, Lola, you have 10 spoons of flour.
And Carmen is saying 10 as well.
Luca, how many spoons you count? Ahora no necesitamos batidora, podemos mezclar así, just like this.
Just like
We
that.
can mix it.
Take it a spoon.
Mi masa está un poco marrón porque no tengo azúcar blanca. azúcar blanco o azúcar blanco.
Vamos a batirlo.
Sí, pero no se cuenta con la batidora, es con la...
Eso sí. Ujú.
Pero si quieres, dale con esta, mira.
¿Cuál?
Está pronto, mano.
Okay, so now we take our recipe for oven. Yes, we take a little bit of butter. Ajá. Y vamos a engrasar con un poco. Vamos a ensuciar las manos, pero bueno, eso es lo que hay. Y vamos a engrasar un poco nuestra recipiente. Ajá.
Toma.
You can use butter, you can use olive oil. It's probably more comfortable for this.
Very good, children. Wow, what a good helpers. Eh? Aren't you? Wow.
Masterchef.
Yeah.
Nosotros tenemos un canal de Masterchef. Mm.
Yes.
Barro.
Toma su tiempo. Bueno, take your time.
Akemi, you are tasting everything. Is it nice? Akemi, is it nice? Is it yummy?
No? Yeah. And now,
Everything?
if we have
All the sides.
a little bit more flour, it's better to put to our recipe
Esto.
just a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, atrás, no.
Akemi.
Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Yeah. So now we need our apple. Just who have apple? I have last one in my kitchen. And we need to cut it. I think it's better your parents help you.
Yo puedo. Yo le puedo echar.
Pues pon la mano. Un poquito.
No, papi. Lo que me has liado.
Sorry, I missed this invitation. How are you cutting the apple?
Yeah, I tried to cut it.
Yeah.
In pieces?
And
but
I
with
will
the
show
peel
you
or no?
the pieces. It's not so big pieces and it's not so small pieces, but
But with the skin, with the peel.
yeah.
Yeah.
No, we don't need to peel it.
With the skin. See, with the skin.
Yes,
Mm.
because yes, we have, for example, like this piece. So we will cut it in two, and after it, just
Okay,
it's like free way to cut. It doesn't matter. It doesn't need to be very big and not specifically very small piece. I think this like, okay, like this piece. I will show you now, and you just put it inside. Okay. So we will cut our apple and we will put inside of our recipe. Okay.
Échalo, cariño, dentro.
We don't need to peel it.
Échalo. Eso es. Échalo.
All the apple.
All the apple.
Yes.
All the apple.
I have big apple. One big apple. I can share with Luca.
Okay.
Very close to me. I can share with you. Look at it.
Removerlo con esto.
¿El qué?
Con esto.
Pero el que está removiendo.
Esto.
No, no puedo.
So,
Sí.
No.
Pues lo están removiendo.
now we have like these results. So we have our recipe with apple. Don't forget, we put some butter, okay? So we have now all of ingredients. If, I forgot to tell you, if you have vanilla, you can put some, just half of spoon if you want to put it inside.
¿Qué parece?
No, no sé.
And
En el recipiente. En el
Recipiente, on that one, on the bottom one.
very good, very good.
Yes,
Very
Lola.
good, Lola.
That one,
You
yeah.
can put it. Okay, very good, Olivia.
Yeah, very good.
Uh-huh. And finally,
What was that bottle of the liquid?
esta es nuestra masa. Mira, es líquida, ¿no? Después voy a tener que limpiar todo eso.
Excuse me, Elena.
¿Qué pasa, Elena?
Ah,
Una pregunta. Vimos que habíais puesto un botecito de algún líquido que era.
ese vanilla. Sí, solamente si, just in case, if you have it, you can put it.
¿Hay que echarle levadura o el bicarbonato o algo?
No. Porque yo lo que pasa es que quería que ustedes ven, yo a veces lo pongo, pero ahora tenía harina, me había olvidado totalmente, lo siento, pero ya es muy tarde. Si ustedes todavía tienen la masa, sí lo pueden poner junto con harina. Lo que pasa es que mi harina ya tenía levadura porque era harina de bizcocho. Y tenía otra que era integral y no quería usarla porque sale no tan buena. Pero si ustedes tienen harina no de bizcocho, sino harina de fuerza para pan, ahí sí es bueno poner eso. Pero nosotros, mientras vamos a cocinar, yo quería enseñar a los chicos una cosita. Me olvidé ponerlo, pero bueno, ya mi harina de verdad que no necesita. Porque en último momento estaba buscando los ingredientes, pensé que todo tengo bajo control.
No
A
pasa
veces,
nada.
a veces no es así, a veces falta tiempo, bueno, a veces faltan ingredientes, pero bueno, nosotros tenemos todos los ingredientes y eso es lo más importante. Si no habíamos puesto baking powder, it's okay.
Elena,
Ya.
hay que echarle gotitas de limón.
Yo no había echado un poquito de limón, pero lo tengo para ustedes una sorpresa.
Gonzalo,
Pero ahora, ¿qué hay que hacer? Hay que echar aquí aquí.
attentive now.
Mira, tenemos una llama marrón
Espera, me está olvidando.
y la vamos a meter al horno, pero más o menos yo imagino 30 minutos y con el palito de madera with a wood stick you can see if it's ready or not, okay? So I want to show you something. As I forgot to use a baking powder and you have it, so I can see you something. So we have lemon. So we will cut it like this, and we will cut it like we will cut it this way, okay? We will put inside of our recipe, and with our fork we can do like this, like mix it,
Yeah.
to make it juicy. Yes. If you have at home food color, we can color in red or any color what we have. Okay, at home. Can you see it? So attention, please. Attention, please. 1 and 2
Hello. Look.
and 3. Look. What were? Can you see it?
Wow. Like a volcano, something like that.
Yes, we have a volcano. Ooh. Can you see it?
Yeah.
It's growing.
Akem is looking like... Wow. Look at that. So coming up.
No te haces.
You can do that at home. You can
Yeah.
do an experiment, yeah, at home with the lemon and the baking soda.
Elena,
Yeah.
¿qué has hecho?
Baking powder. Look, this is a baking powder. It's soda, bicarbonato de soda.
Bicarbonato, ¿vale?
Ah, ¿qué ha pasado? Salió un proceso de químico cuando nuestro bicarbonato de sodio se mezcla con jugo de limón. Mira qué pasa. Como erupción. Can you see it?
Yes.
Ooh. I forgot to put it in our cake, but I prepared some surprise for you. Ooh.
Akemi, you can do it to your brothers.
Yes, you can do it. You can do it
Yeah.
because you have if you have a baking powder, you can do it in time what we need to cook our cake. So I think we have now. Let's check. We have 3:40. So I think we will meet each other to sing our birthday song at what do you think, Olga? 4:20 or 4:15? Okay.
Yeah. 4:15, we will meet again, so you can bake the cake, the apple cake, and then we can join to sing happy birthday, blowing out the candles and eat the cake together.
Yes. Okay.
A las 4:15.
Okay.
4:15, okay? So you have time to bake the cake, okay? ¿Sí?
Nos conectamos 4:15, ¿no?
Sí, ahora lo cocemos, vamos, que se cocine y luego nos vemos y cantamos, ¿vale?
Okay. See you soon. See you soon. Let's bake our cake.
Yeah, bye. Good luck with the cake.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.